Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Next is my first video of my channel and first series too. This series named as Python. You can learn Python from seeing this series. Okay, in this first video we are going to learn our first topic, print. First, to learn the Python or execute, you need to in Python install on your PC. If you didn't install, check the description. I'll give a link for installing Python. Okay, now let us start. And I am opening VS Code. I am using VS Code editor. You can use the editor of your wish, like Atom, Sublime Text, etc. Now, this is our VS Code interface. Now first, we will click the file and click open folder. After opening the folder, go the place that you like and go and create an folder. I will type it as Python series. And select this folder. And you can, this is Python series, and you can see the welcome page. Click around and add a new file named as print.py. .py is needed for extension in the Python, and name it as Python file. We got the Python file. Okay, now let's start with our first topic, print. If you get this pop-up, linter pilot is not installed, just click install. Until it gets installed, let's go into our topic. Okay, the print statement is used to print any text that we write or a math, like plus, minus, for the results and etc. You can use it for it. And you can use to add variables, concatenating, or execute any function that you created on Python is executed using print statement. Okay, now let's start executing the print. I'm killing this terminal. Okay, the syntax for print is just write print and give two brackets and give two quotes too. In quotes, let's write hello world. You can write your any text that you like. After writing print, the text in between the quotes or in between the brackets is going to be printed in our terminal. The terminal is nothing but the place where we will see all our code executed by print. I think you can see the hello world over here. The hello world is printed that we wrote in between the brackets or in between the quotes. Okay, now let's write any other. I like Python. Now let's print this. You will see the I like Python printed over here. Now let's clear this and let's take it up. Now let's go to math using print. Okay, same syntax, but there is no quotes for math. Okay, now let's add two numbers, 8 plus 9, and this is called as an integer statement. This is known as string because we have placed in between quotes. The text you written in between quotes is named as string. The text without quotes is known as integer, and it should be a number. After clicking the function symbol, you will get the 17 result over here. Okay, this is your answer. Now let's change it to minus. By keeping minus, you will see the answer is -1. Now let's add asterisk. Asterisk is nothing but multiplication. You will get the product of it. You will get 72. If you place slash, you will get the divided, the answer of 8 by 9 is 0.8 bar. Okay, this is our print. In next video, let's see executing variables in this using print statement. Until then, let's wind up this session. So please subscribe if you like this video, and please like this video.